Hello students, in this video we are going to learn your social studies chapter number 13, Mapping My Neighborhood. Landmarks, sketches, maps, signs and symbols help us to locate a place where we have to reach. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛ, ꯁ꯭ꯀꯦꯠꯆ, ꯃꯦꯞ, ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯝꯕꯣꯜꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛ, ꯁ꯭ꯀꯦꯠꯆ, ꯃꯦꯞ, ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯁꯤꯝꯕꯣꯜꯁ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ. Landmarks. Landmarks are reference points or places that help us to locate a place where we have to reach. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ any reference points ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ places ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ landmarks ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ. I repeat, landmark ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ any place ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ reference points ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ places ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯕꯨ landmarks ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ. A cinema hall, school, market, temple or even a pole are some landmarks which are easily recognizable in any locality or neighborhood. Cinema hall, school, market, temple adudagidi even kuti post phau pole adi kuti post haibniko nakoi mai gi bu oiro any cable gi bu oiro any leiriba pole adagidi any achau chauba tree adugumba oirasu yai ko aduna adugumba jaga adugumba pot jingdubu landmarks neba ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯕꯔꯍꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯛꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯦꯟꯗꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ. Sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place. It is not an exact drawing. Sketch habadi kaino haiba matamda chaurakpa particular area particular place amagi chaurakna magi yekpa adugumba potubu sketch kawi ko masi exact drawing di natteba mahaki ngasai exact asangba exact lairiba mai ngasai distance adugumba mayam jingdubu exact oina takpa potu di natte. Sketch habadi kaino rough oina a sidagina si box alagadi si leibani somlamda hairagadi si leibani haidana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ rough ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯛꯄ particular place ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ rough ꯑꯣꯏꯕ drawingꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ sketch ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ. Come to your next page. Directions. The four main directions are east, west, north and south. Direction important ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ east, west, north and south ꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ east, west, north and south. If we stand facing the rising sun, east is in front of us. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗꯅꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯦꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ. And if we stretch both the arms sideways, the left hand points toward north and the right hand points toward south. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯃꯛ ꯊꯤꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ left handꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ northꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ right handꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅ south. I repeat, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯋꯦꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯦꯐ ꯍꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ. ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯏꯁ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯁꯥꯎꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ. Then map. A map represents the exact locations of a place. ꯃꯦꯞꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯨꯂꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ exact location aduni map na ko ta ka dori se like a sketch. A map is a pictorial chart of a place drawn on a flat surface like paper. Sketch tawna map ai basiju ko gi pictorial chart picture oiba adugumba chart ne bang sai gi particular place amagi kadai da yekpa ko gi flat over surface like paper gumba da yekpa adugumba particular place amagi pictorial chart ni map ai basiju sketch tawna. But unlike a sketch, a map shows direction in relations to the sun. Adubu che da yekba sketch tawna flat oiba surface ta particular area amagi pictorial chart amoina sketch tawna yekpa oijaragasu map sina sketch tagi hena kari details take haba matamda map na ulisidi kaino directions in relation to sun. Numit tholakpagi masigi direction siga relations oiraba matungda map tadi magi direction je yam details oina utle habani ko ngasai sketch tadi kaino particular place amagi rough drawing ni sketch tadi adubu map tadi kari ulakke haba matamda exact directions. Map tadi ngasai exact oiba direction je ngasai numina thoglaiba masigi maikai siga loinana map tadi exact direction se ulai habani ko. A map contains signs, symbols and scales to locate places shown on it. Map tadi sign, symbols amadi scales kaya marum ama yaurani habani ko. A book of map is called an atlas. Aduna ngasai map tadi kari yaurake haba matamda sign, symbols amadi scales ngasai map tu da yauriba adugumba jaga mayamjing map tu da utliba adugumba jaga mayamjing je aikoi da yam laina khangnanaba symbol, sign, scales kaya marum ama yaurani map tadi aduga adugumba map mayamgi book tubu kari kauge haba matamda atlas haidana kawi ko. Gerardus Mercatus was the first man to draw a map of the earth on a flat surface. Fake and yengo ko flat surface oiba any flat surface amada art ki map yekpa adugumba ihan hanba miyoi si kanano haba matamda Gerardus Mercator hariba miyoi sini ko. Types of maps. Maps are mostly of two types. They are political and physical. Map se makalani lai political amadi physical haidana. A political map shows states or countries, their boundaries, capital cities as well as other important places. Political map sidana kari ulakadagi haba matamda countries, states natraga countries amadi makoigi boundaries, makoigi capital cities aduga atopa important aba places kaya marum mama utpadubuna political map. Then a physical map shows various landforms and water bodies like mountains, deserts and rivers. Physical map abasina karama makalgi map no haiba matamda land gi structure amadi ngasai gi water bodies ishingi lairiba adugumba structure mayam utpa koi samna harabada mountains, deserts and rivers sigumba mayam utpa adugumba makalgi map tubuna physical map. It is also called a relief map. Physical map sibu relief map haidana su kawi ko. Sida yengo look at this picture. Political map haibana na koi gi right side ta laisini aduga physical map haibana left side ta laisini. Physical map sibu relief map haidana su kawi ko. Some maps give information about population, soil type, temperature, rainfall, etc. They are called thematic map. Map kharana aikoigi population gi maramda information piba, soil type, temperature, rainfall sigumba makal makha kaya gi information piriba map tubuna thematic maps haidana kawi ko. Scale of a map. A map is much smaller than the area shown by it. Map to the utliba ngasai area zingdo adudagi map sina hena pieba. I repeat, map haibasina ngasai map to the udliba area mayam jingdo adudagi hena pieba map haibasina. So a scale has to be used to draw a map. Aduna map to the udliba area mayam jingdudagi map sina hena pikpanina aikoina map yekpa matamda scale haibase sijannagadabani haibani ko. Adu oiragadi scale haibasi karino yengasi. A scale is the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on a map. Scale haibasi karino haiba matamda ground leiriba ngasai actual distance siga map to the leiriba ngasai distance siga ani sigi marakta leiriba ratio proportion do adubuni scale haidana haise. I repeat, scale haibasi karino haiba matamda actual ground leiriba distance tuga map to the leiriba ngasai distance siga ani sigi marakta lainariba ngasai ratio amadi proportion do adubuni scale haidana haise. It is always given in a corner of a map. Scale je map ki corner da adum yaugani haibani ko. A scale is an important part of the language of a map. Scale haibase map ki language ta khwaidagi important eba part amane haibani ko. Scale jina aikoida kari kanaba pige haiba matamda it relates the distance between places on a map to the actual distance between places. Map to the yauriba different places mayam jingsigi marakta leiriba ngasai distance siga actual places mayam jingsigi leiriba adugumba actual distance mayam jingse ani sigi marakta relates lehenba matam scale sina aikoida mateng pange. I repeat, map to the udliba different places mayam jingsigi marakta leiriba distance siga actual places mayam jingsigi marakta leiriba adugumba actual distance mayam jingse ani sigi marakta aikoida relates lehenba matamda scale sina yam chawna mateng pange haibani ko. Now come to your next page. Look here. For example, the distance between Delhi and Amritsar is 400 kilometers on the ground, but on the map the distance between these two places is only 4 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Dividing 400 by 4. This is known as the scale of a map. Delhi dagina Amritsar faubagi arapase actual distance on the ground dadi 400 kilometers neba. Adubu map ta yeglakpa matam dadi only 4 centimeter haidana yeglaeba. Aduna map to da magi ngasai scale je kari haidana mention tauge haiba matamda 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Centimeter amaga kilometer 100 ka manhalaga ngasai gi map se yeglaeba. Aduna map to dadi Delhi ga Amritsar gi arapase 4 cm khaktang oina yegla ani ba map to dadi aduga actual dadi 400 kilometers ne ba aduna actual da 400 kilometers lapase ngasai gi map to dadi 4 cm khaktang lapa ani ba maramdi ngasai gi map to gi scale je 1 cm ga 100 km ga manahalaga yeglak bagine ba. So this is known as the scale of a map. Masibuni map ki scale haidana haris. Now look at this second. People who make and study maps are called cartographers. Map shemba amadi map ki maramda study tawba miyoi dubu kari kauge haiba matamda cartographer haidana kawi ko. Then next, signs and symbols. Signs and symbols are used to represent important informations like roads, river, bridge, temples and churches on map. Sign amadi symbols ina kari da sijanage haiba matamda map ta yauriba yamna maru oiba information akoi gi roads, river, bridge, temples and church sigumba mayam jingchibu aikoi da yam laina khanganba matamda sign amadi symbol ja sijanai. I repeat, map ta yauriba adugumba yamna maru oiba information akoi gi roads, river, bridge, temples and church sigumba mayam jingse represent tarokpa matamda signs amadi symbols ja masi sijanai haibani ko. Sidai sida laire signs amadi symbols boundaries dana kamaina laigani physical feature dana kari signs and symbols yaurokani communication dana kari kari yaurakani haibana chingba sigumba mayam jingse map ta loinamak yaurakkadoineba aduna sigumba map ta aikoina sigumba any symbols natraga signs mayam jingse hek uba matamda masigi symbol sidi international boundary ni de masigi symbol sina country ni sina river ni sina other road sina road with bridge etc sigumba mayam jingse aikoina map se yengba matamda sigumba makalgi information mayam jingse kadai de kari leige haibana chingba mayam jingse aikoida khangnabagi damaktani map ta signs and symbols haidana yaholibasi. Now look here, different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on maps. Landforms makhal makha kaya amadi water bodies makhal makha kaya ama map ta represent tawraknabagi damakta makhal makha kaya gi color kaya marum ama sijanai haibani ko same color na represent tawragadi map to read tawba matamda map reader do the problem thokani ba same color do the that means same color na two different landforms manadaba landform ani dubu color ama khakna represent tawragadi for example blue haibasina river su forest su represent tawragadi river na kadaino forest na kadaino haibada confusion lakadoineba adugi damakta river na blue na green na forest na adu eragadi blue ji uba matamda masidi river ni green ji uba matamda masidi forest ni haidana khangnabagi damakta different color are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on maps, not a same color. Aduna niko aduna manadaba color mayam jingsi akoina sijanarani sigumba different landforms amadi water bodies mayam jingsi bu map ta represent tawnanaba honarakpa matamda same color sijanabagi mahutta akoina different color oina use tawbagi maramdi map reader duna map se read tawba matamda yamna easy oina naba amadi yamna distinction oina nabagi damaktaneba. Now look here, blue represent rivers, green represent forests, brown represent mountains, hills and desert, yellow represent plains, and red represent plateaus. Aduna sigumba color mayam se lairamagadi masai blue lairamagana river, green uragana forest, brown lairagana mountain, hills and deserts, yellow uragana plains, red lairagana plateaus. Sumaina khangnabagi damaktani different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on maps. So student, with this we have completed your chapter number 13. I hope you all understood what we have explained or what we have learned so far. Your remaining chapters will explain in upcoming videos.